Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Who doesn't love the idea of warm, fluffy French toast on a cozy morning? It's that perfect blend of sweet and savory, a real comfort food that feels special. And guess what? It's much easier to whip up than you might think. We'll walk through each step together, making sure you feel confident in your kitchen. Soon, you'll be enjoying your very own homemade batch, a truly rewarding experience. Before we dive in, let's gather everything we need. You'll want some slightly stale bread. Day-old challah or brioche works beautifully. Then grab a couple of large eggs, about half a cup of milk, and a tablespoon of sugar for sweetness. Don't forget a splash of vanilla extract and a pinch of cinnamon. These really elevate the flavor. Having everything ready makes the whole process so much smoother. Now, let's create our magical custard mixture. Crack your 2 large eggs into a shallow dish, like a pie plate or a wide bowl. Pour in your half cup of milk and sprinkle in that tablespoon of sugar. Add the vanilla extract and a dash of cinnamon now too. Use a whisk to gently beat everything together until it's smooth and well combined, with no streaks of egg yolk remaining. This perfectly balanced soak is key to amazing French toast. With your custard ready, it's time to cook. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat and melt a small pat of butter. Take a slice of bread and quickly dip it into the custard, letting it soak for just a few seconds on each side. You don't want it soggy. Place the soaked bread onto your hot pan. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. It should smell absolutely incredible. Once your French toast is golden and ready, it's best served right away. Stack a few slices onto a plate and get creative with your toppings. A drizzle of maple syrup is classic, but don't stop there. Fresh berries, sliced bananas, a dollop of whipped cream, or simply a dusting of powdered sugar can truly elevate the experience. You've just created a delicious, comforting breakfast from scratch. Savor every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.